Hi, everybody. Tricia from the Virtual Foundry here with some holiday greetings and a little help to offer. Now, I love the holidays, the music, the decorations, the lights, and against the snowy backdrop that we get here in Southern Wisconsin, it's a beautiful time of year. One of my other very favorite things is gifts. It's super fun to get them, and it's also really fun to find that perfect thing that's going to create the look of delight on the recipients' faces. Now, as you're making your lists, I know I have to use a full spreadsheet to keep track of our family's holiday activities. Consider gifting metal 3D printing to someone. With options to fit every budget, the Virtual Foundry can help you give someone the gift of being able to make metal objects themselves. In the Virtual Foundry shop, you'll find a special section titled Holiday Gift Giving. Pretty straightforward. In there, we've got gift cards, so that's a perfect option if you're just not sure what direction to go. The gift cards are virtual. They'll be passed on to the recipient, and they will apply that gift card when they make their own purchase. There's a filament sampler, so that includes 3 different kinds of filament: bronze, copper, and stainless steel 316L. That your gift recipient will print in the regular 3D printer, and they'll be able to see what it's like to print with metal and how easy it really is. And then there's the Filament 3D Metal Printing Evaluation Kit. Now, this kit isn't going to include everything that you would need to print and then debind and sinter, which is a heat process, to get a full metal part from equipment that your gift recipient probably already has at home. Now, there are some things that you'll need to know in order to get the perfect gift. And number 1 is your gift recipient's 3D printer brand, or what size filament their 3D printer uses. There are 2 options: 1.75 millimeter and 2.85 millimeter. Now, if you're not sure, but you do kind of know the 3D printer brand, a quick Google search will give you the answer about whether it uses 1.75 or 2.85 millimeter. Or if you really aren't sure, a good option is to get the gift card and let your loved one select what will be perfect for them. If you're considering the 3D metal printing evaluation kit, you'll need to know if your gift recipient has a kiln or has access to a kiln to be able to do that second heating part to make that 3D printed object into pure metal. Now, of course, the rest of the shop is certainly open for gift giving. We have larger bundles that will include everything needed to print and then debind and sinter or do that heat process. We also have individual filaments. And if you know of someone who's actively using filament already and maybe they need a couple of supplies, those are certainly options as well. So you have a lot of ways to help somebody discover the joy of making metal parts themselves. If you need any help, reach out, info@thevirtualfoundry.com, and we'd love to help you select the perfect gift for your loved one. Until next time, happy printing, everybody.